Welcome back to Tech Simplified channel. In today's video, we are going to implement RC4 encryption and decryption using Python socket programming. We will simulate a secure message transfer between a client and server. So let's dive in. So first we understand what is RC4. So basically RC4 is a stream cipher algorithm designed by the Ron Revest. It works by generating a pseudo-random byte stream based on a secret key, which is then XORed with the plain text to produce the cipher text. And it is use the same process of encryption and decryption. So RC4 is also considered as a symmetric encryption algorithm. So in this RC4 implementation, we are going to make three different Python files. One for the implementation of the RC4 logic, second for the client side program, and third for the server side program. So let's begin coding. Okay, so let's begin a code to develop the logic of the RC4 algorithm. So first we define a one method RC4 with argument key and text, and define one list having the integer number from range 1 to 256. Okay, now we begin this RC4 implementation by initializing an array S with the values from 0 to 255. So this array will be shuffled using the key scheduling algorithm, that is KSA, based on the secret key, and we then iterate over all 256 values, updating and swapping element in S. Okay. Now, in this phase, we generate a pseudo-random stream of byte using the PRGA, that is a pseudo-random generator algorithm. And each byte from the input text is XORed with the generated key byte, creating the encrypted output. The same function decrypts the message if you pass in the cipher text. So in this way, we can implement the logic of the RC4 algorithm. Okay. And after that, we have to save this file with the name RC4, because we are using this file in the client side and the server side as a module. Okay, so for that I forward this file with the name RC4 logic. Okay, and save this. Okay. Okay, now we are going to implement our server side program for RC4 algorithm. So in this program, we are going to first set up the server. For that, we require the library socket, and we are going to use this program that we already made and import the method RC4 from that. Okay, and here I am taking a key, that is a secret key, and now establishing the server connection with the local host and port number 9999. Now the server is ready to listen, and this is a TCP socket, and that binds with the port number 999 and waits for the client connection. Okay, so when the client connects, we accept the connection and receive the encrypted message. So it is decoded from the bytes to the string. So you can see that we are decoding the encrypted message received from the client and print the encrypted message received. Okay. Now we are using the RC4 function with the same secret key to decrypt the message and print the original text. Okay. Now we are printing the decrypted message. And after that, we are closing the connection Okay, so in this way we can implement the logic of the server side program in the RC4 algorithm. So I changed my file name to the RC4 logic. So I write here RC4, from RC4 logic import RC4. Now on the client side, we are first importing the socket and then importing the RC4 logic and import the method RC4. Okay. Now, we first define the secret key and take the input as a plain text from the user. Okay. Then we encrypted using the RC4 function that we already imported from RC logic file with the same secret key. Okay. Now we create a TCP socket to connect to the server on port number 9999, and then we have to send the encrypted message after encoding it into the bytes. Okay. So after encoding, we will print the encrypted text, and at last we can close the socket connection. Okay, so in this way we can implement the client side programming using the RC4 algorithm. Now I am going to save both the programs. So this is my server side. So I save this program as RC4 underscore server. Okay, and this is my client side. So I save this program as RC4 underscore client. Okay. Now, to check that this program encryption and decryption is working fine or not, we have to first run. We have to first open the two different terminals. Okay, so I am taking a one more terminal, and we have to first run the server side programming to create a socket, and after that we have to run the client side program. Okay, so this is my server program. So I first run this RC4 server. Okay, you can see that server is waiting for a connection. Now, in the another terminal, I can run this RC4 client. So I am waiting for connecting with the kernel. Okay, now I am running my client side program. You can see it prompts me to enter the plain text. So for example, I run hello, welcome, and enter. You can see that it give me the encrypted message. Now I will check that this message is received at the server side or not. So you can see that message is encrypted message is received at the server side, and the decrypted message is also same as the plain text entered by the user. So that's how you can implement the secure messaging using the RC4 and the Python socket. So in this video, you can learn how to encrypt and decrypt message using the RC4 stream cipher and send them across a TCP connection. Okay. So if you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for the more programming demos, and drop a comment if you want to me cover the RSA algorithm also. Thank you.